Okay, this is a continuation from today's lesson. Exercise 13.2, Fundamental Counting Principle. Just looking at a few more examples here from what I did today. So exercise 13.2, question 8. Yasmin has 12 tops, 5 pairs of jeans, and 5 pairs of shoes in her wardrobe. If she randomly chooses a top, a pair of jeans, and shoes, how many combinations are possible? So the number of combinations using the fundamental counting principle will be just 12 for number of tops times 5 for number of pairs of jeans and 5 for the number of pairs of shoes. So 12 times 5 times 5, which is 300. So therefore 300 combinations possible. Now girls, these questions are fairly straightforward. Here's another question, exercise 13.2, question 14. A password consists of 2 letters followed by 5 numbers. What is the probability that I randomly guess the correct password? Now there are 2 steps here. First thing we need to do, remember probability is number of favourable outcomes over total outcomes. What you've got to do in the first part is work out how many different passwords there are. Now if you've got 2 letters, remember there are 26 letters in the alphabet, so that will be 26 choices for first letter and 26 choices for the second letter. And we've got 5 numbers. Remember the numbers are from 0 through to 9, which is actually 10 digits, and we've got 5 numbers. So we go 26 times 26 for the 2 letters, then times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. If you work that out on your calculator, you will get 67,600,000. So that's the number of different passwords. So the probability that you get the correct password, there is only one correct password. So you've got one chance out of 67,600,000. So when you've got these probability questions, you first need to work out the number of different passwords that you can get, and then the probability, remembering there's only one correct guess. Okay. Now for question 21 in the same exercise, we've got that there are 3 prizes are given away at a concert by taping the tickets underneath random seats. If there are 200 people in the audience, how many ways can these prizes be won? Remember, there are 3 prizes that are given. So therefore, the number of ways, there will be 200, because there are 200 people, there will be 200 choices for first prize. And then once that prize is won, we've got 199 tickets left for second prize. And then there's 198 tickets left for third prize. So the number of ways in which the prizes can be won is 200 times 199 times 198, which is 7,880,400. Now for the last example here, exercise 13.2, question 25. It says that each of 10 cards has a letter written on it from A to J. So if you just count those with the alphabet, we've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. I'll just do those with my hand. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. That's the 10 letters. So 10 cards has a letter written on it from A to J. So one card might have A, the next card's got B, the next one's got C, etc. Now, if only 3 of those cards are selected in order at random, find the probability that they spell out CAB. So first thing you've got to do is work out the number of 3-letter words that you can get. Now, there's 10 choices for the first letter. It could be anything from A to J. Then, once one letter is used up, there's 9 choices left for the second letter. And then once 2 letters are used up for those first 2 letters of the 3-letter word, then there's only 8 choices left for the third letter. So 10 times 9 times 8 is 720. So there's 720 different 3-letter words that can be chosen. Now the probability that you would choose the 3 letters that spell out the word CAB, there's only one chance of getting C, then A, then B. So the probability of getting CAB is 1 chance out of the 720. Okay, if you could now do exercise 13.2, can you do questions 1 to 7? You do not need to write these questions out. Okay, we've already done question 8, so just do all of the questions except for question 8, I think 14, 21 and 25, because we've already done those questions. Now these should not take long, they should be quite quick. Look, they are a little bit repetitive, but you should be able to do them quite quickly. So just do all of exercise 13.2, missing out question 8, 14, 21 and 25. Thank you.